Good morning all. I am Dr. Gayathri, working as Assistant Professor of Chemistry in SNS College of Engineering. Today we are going to see about environmental science. In that the specific topic is environmental and its biodiversity. Natural resources. There are two types of natural resources, indestructible and non-destructible. Indestructible is of two types, air and water, and non-destructible, that is renewables and non-renewables. Both are called as non-destructible. In the renewables, soil, forest, wildlife are these three are renewables, and non-renewables are minerals. So there are two types of natural resources, that is indestructible, in that air and water are indestructible, and renewables and non-renewables are non-destructible. For renewables, soil, forest and wildlife. Non-renewable is minerals. Next, biodiversity. What is biodiversity? It is a short for biological diversity. Is the variety of all living organisms and their interactions is called as biodiversity. See the pictures. The picture represents the biodiversity, that is living organisms, the first picture, and their interactions in the second picture. This both are called as biodiversity. Next, environment. Environment is some total of living and non-living elements. Environment is some total of all living and non-living elements and their effects that influence human life. While all living and or biotic elements are, that is living and elements are, that is living elements are also called as biotic elements, are animals, plants, forest, fisheries and birds. And non-living elements are also called as abiotic elements, which include water, land, sunlight, rock, air. These and all non-living elements. The environment is the total of all living and non-living elements, both living and non-living elements. The living are also called as biotic elements, and non-living are called as abiotic elements. The biotic elements are animals, plants, forest, fisheries and birds. And the non-living are called as abiotic elements, which include water, land, sunlight, rocks and air. Next, the picture represents the living and non-living things. Then the type of biodiversity. Genetic, species and ecosystem diversity. There are three types, that is genetic, species and ecosystem diversity. The genetic diversity, genetic variability or diversity within a species, that is called as genetic diversity, that is individuals of a species. In the species itself a diversity arises, that is called as genetic diversity. Example, 5,000 recorded varieties of mango are available. 80,000 recorded varieties of Oryza sativa, that is rice, are available. These are the genetic diversity. And species diversity, that is between species. Genetic diversity is between genetics. This species diversity is between different species. Felis tigris, Felis domestica, elephant, tiger, this and all are called as species biodiversity. And ecosystem diversity, that it deals with a variation in ecosystems within a geographical location. within a geographical location, and its overall impact on human existence and the environment. Human existence and environment. The ecosystem diversity deals in the variation in ecosystem within the location and its impact on human existence and the environment. It impact on both human and environment. The types of biodiversity, there are 3 types: genetic, species, ecosystem. Genetic diversity is within variability within species, and species diversity within the species diverse is called as species diversity. And the ecosystem, it deals with a geographical location and its impact on human existence and environment. Thank you.